Hey everybody, it's Kayla from the KK Lifestyle, and today I am doing a quick tutorial on how to use these products right here. These are contour and highlight sticks from KKW Beauty. I have loved these products. This is my second purchase of these, so I feel like I'm really used to them now and really love them. You get 4 different colors with them, 2 contour shades and 2 highlight shades. So I'm going to show you in this video how I contour the face and highlight the face, as well as use these to also create this eye look that I'm wearing. It's a very simple daytime eye look, but it's super easy and quick to put on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's jump right in. So as I mentioned, I am going to be showing you how to use these KKW Beauty contour and highlighting sticks. This comes as a set. You get 4 colors total, 2 highlights and 2 contours. And I'm going to show you how you can almost build your entire look with just this product. So I've gone ahead and done my foundation. I've also done a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, and I've also penciled in my eyebrows. So at this point, I am ready to go in with my contour. So I'm gonna start with light 1, and I am going to draw that from about the top of my ear almost to the corner of my mouth on both sides. I'm then gonna do my hairline here, and I'm gonna do down either side of my nose, and I'm gonna do a little bit on my jawline. Okay, now I'm gonna take my brush. This is a double-sided brush from her brand as well, and it has a brush on this end and a beauty sponge on this end. I'm gonna use the brush side to pretty aggressively blend that in. And I'm kind of doing like motions like this, but I'm also kind of doing circular motions as well. And then down here. So basically we're just adding like shadows and contour, basically whatever is going to absorb light in the areas that we want to chisel the face. So we want it to look a little bit more sunken in these areas. When you do your hairline, you almost want to pull it back into your hairline so you don't get a weird separation from your hairline to your scalp. Now I'm switching to the highlight color. So I'm going to use light 1, and I'm going to go on the tops of my cheekbones and right down the center of my nose and right here. Let me do just a little bit here. Let's just see how that goes. Cute. So I'm gonna use the beauty sponge side and just kind of do a little mixture of like dabbing and sweeping. You don't want to really move it a lot around the face. Just accentuating light in these areas. So these are the high points of the face. So this is where the sun would hit your face if you were in the bright light. I'm just gonna add a little touch of blush to that. This is my Milani Berry Amore Baked Blush. And I'm just gonna circle my cheekbones. I'm gonna circle the apples of my cheeks and just kind of pull it back from there. Just a very subtle hint of color. So now I'm going to show you how you can also use these sticks to create a very simple daytime eye look. So you're getting so much bang for your buck out of these colors. So I'm going to go with light 2 of the contour, and I'm just going to draw in my crease. And this is not supposed to be like a perfect look, but I'm just kind of drawing it in and dabbing with my finger. And this is so easy, you guys, for just a quick morning routine. So you can see, like, I am not being precise with this at all. This is not complicated, just very easy. So just kind of smooth that all over. It's not groundbreaking makeup, but it's just a quick way to add a little something to your eyes. And I like to go up underneath as well. Kind of like eyeliner, but more so just like a neutral brown eyeshadow on the under eye. And again, I'm just blending with my finger, the makeup brush that God gave us. Here we go. And now I'm gonna switch to the highlight shade. So I'm gonna use light 2. And I'm gonna pop that right underneath my brow bone on both sides. Sorry, I changed my mind there. And then I'm gonna go in the inner corner of my eye and just kind of bring it up right in here. And then just kind of dab again. Okay, so I've just added a quick little look to my eyes using those sticks, and now I'm gonna go in with a little black eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my Lash Princess by Essence False Lash Effect Mascara to finish this off. Okay, you guys, I now have a completed look. This was super easy. I forgot to tell you guys that I also did a quick lip color before I started the video. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon in the color Trust Your Gut. I have been using this color a lot for fall, and I think it is so pretty, and it matches my sweater perfectly. So basically, I just added a little contour and highlight to my cheeks, and I did a little bit of an eye look using these KKW Beauty sticks as well. I just wanted to show you guys how versatile they are, and people are really scared of them, I feel like, because they are so pigmented, and when you draw it on, it's like, oh my gosh, what have I done to my face? But once you blend it out, it's so beautiful and so chiseled without really even working that hard. So I am really, really pleased with these. This is my second purchase of these, so I really love them. So thanks for watching, you guys, today. All the products that I used on this video will be linked in the description box below, as well as the blog post that goes along with this video on the KK Lifestyle. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks. Have a great day.